Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the Fastboot mode. So to get started, let's power it off by holding the power key. And once it has shut off, you then want to hold power key and volume down, both of those keys simultaneously. And you can see that we're now in the Fastboot mode. So that is how you would enter this mode. And if you want to leave it, simply hold power key till phone shuts off. And it will automatically power back on, as you can see right now. And there we go, we're back in the Android. So that is how you would enter and also leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.